So here, while creating this EC2, we are seeing that we are providing the tags in the form of key value pair to identify and to organize these resources. Once we provided these tags, the next thing we need to select the AMI. AMI stands for Amazon Machine Image. So it means it is a template that we going to select in order to launch this EC2 server, right? So what this template contains? This template contains the operating system, whether it might be Linux or Windows, and with some pre-installed softwares and with some basic configuration settings. Altogether, this template is acting like a software configuration to our EC2 virtual server. So it means this AMI, Amazon Machine Image, it contains the operating system and setup of our respective server. To make it more clear, let's say, think of you are buying a new smartphone. So when you buy a new smartphone, in your new smartphone, it contains the software configuration and hardware configuration. Hardware configuration, it has the processor, it has the RAM, hard disk, and some network related components. And the software configuration, it might be like Android or iOS with some pre-installed softwares and with some basic configuration settings, right? So it means when you purchase a new smartphone and when you switch on the new smartphone, it already has this software configuration with operating system, some pre-installed softwares and the basic configuration settings. It means we're not going to install the operating system by ourselves. It is pre-loaded system. It is completely preloaded when we purchase a new smartphone. Similarly, when we are creating a EC2 instances, when we are launching a EC2 instances, now I am telling to the AWS, my dear AWS, kindly provide this AMI. Let's say I selected the AMI with Linux. Let's say I selected this Linux template under AMI. Now this AWS is loading these EC2 instances with respect to template configuration settings. So what this template contains now? This AMI contains this operating system with some pre-installed softwares and some basic configuration settings. So this is how it is going to work out. Fine. Let me show you in practical. Now if you observe, after giving the names and tags to our EC2 instances, the next thing we're going to select is AMI, stands for Amazon Machine Image. So if you observe here, an AMI contains the operating system with some pre-installed softwares and the application respective settings. So here under the quick start, the AWS is already providing some basic templates to you under Amazon Linux or Mac OS, Ubuntu, Windows, Red Hat, etc. If you want, you can also browse more AMI templates. So there are the more AMI templates that you can find provided by the AWS. So under the quick start, provided by the AWS. Along with this AMI templates provided by the AWS, you can also find the AMI templates provided by the marketplace. So here the templates are uploaded or provided by some third-party entities. So you can purchase these templates as per your requirement. So here you can see this purchasing option. A quick start AMI, we are selecting the respective templates as per our requirement. So there are the different types of templates where it is providing Amazon Linux with some respective pre-installed softwares and basic configurations. I hope it is clear. Let's move forward. This AMI, if you observe here, we have the types of AMI. These AMIs, we have the types of these AMIs. So the public AMIs. It means they are the templates provided by the AWS. Under quick start, you can find they are the ready-made templates provided by this AWS. Or under community, are under marketplace. And along with the public AMIs, we also have something called private AMIs. These private AMIs are created by yourself, are created by your company. It means, let's say, already I have created an EC2 with some base template selected from public AMI. So I selected AMI called Amazon Linux. So it is a public AMI. I have selected this under the public AMI option from Kickstart provided by the AWS. Now, using this template, on top of it, I have installed a few more software configurations. Like I've installed Node.js, I've installed Nginx, right? Now, I want the same configuration. I want the same template configuration to rest of my new launching EC2 instances. So in this case, I'm going to create a custom AMI out of this existing AMI. So I'm going to create a custom AMI out of this existing configuration. Now it will become a custom template created by me out of my existing work. Now this template I can reuse whenever I want to launch a new EC2 instances. So the new EC2 instances, it is coming with the AMI which I have created under the existing EC2 instances. Now this custom AMI or these custom templates are known as private AMIs created by our organization. Even these EC2 instances contain the respective software configuration along with the softwares which I have installed. So that is how you need to understand with respect to this AMIs. So let's see once again. So here, if you observe here, so we have the quick start AMIs, my AMIs created by me, and AWS Marketplace AMIs and community AMIs. I hope it is clear to everyone. So in this practical, under quick start AMI, I'm going to this option. Under this option, I'm selecting this Amazon Linux 2023 version. So here, it is coming with the Amazon Linux operating system with some pre-installed softwares and with some basic configuration settings. I can use this template because it is a free tier eligible. So under the free tier account, this template is also free of cost to use to launch our EC2 instances. So I'm selecting this respective template configuration to create my EC2 instances. So select this. So that's it. You can see here. Now under AMI, we selected our Amazon Linux 2023 as our respective software configuration. I hope it is clear. If you want to change, you can browse more AMIs and you can select what are the requirements that you have. So if you want to choose a different version, now currently I'm selecting the Amazon Linux, which is Amazon Linux 2023 version. If you want to choose a different one, I can simply drop down and I can go to the different type of these templates. If you want to choose the Windows, I can go to the Windows, and here it is the latest version. If you want, I can also go to the previous version as my base template. Now it is going to be my base template in order to launch these EC2 instances. I hope it is clear to everyone.